So over here you can see that I have a storyboard project, and all of it, as you can see, is in a single scene right here. So if you want to insert out, let's say, another project, then you need to go around and break the scene first. And to do that, I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to click on split current scene. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK, and from the selected scene you can see that that a scene is broken down right here. So you can see that this is the first scene in the beginning and the second scene right here. So in order to insert out another project right here, you need to go around onto file, then you need to go around onto let's say, for example, project management, and over here you can see that insert is an option. So once you go around here, it says that you must save the project before you actually go around and insert, and now you can go around onto a folder where you have another project stored out. So you can go around and select it and click on open right here, and now you can see that it says all the insert caption will be automatically matched with the captions with the same name right here. So I'm just going to go around and say OK, and you can see that the insertion is successful now. So you can see that this is the first one, and this is the second one right here, just like this, and the third one right here, that is the scenes, and this is the inserted scene right here. And that is how you can insert out files inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.